Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, welcome to the family. Please join us by subscribing, okay? And don't forget to like this video. If you are a returning subscriber, you guys are the OGs, okay? Thank you so much for coming back. So let's just get right into it. So in today's video, I'm going to be clarifying my hair. I'll be detoxing my hair using the Bentonite clay. So I'll be using it for the very first time. I've never used Bentonite clay in my life. I've always heard about it. I've researched about it, you know, watched a lot of videos on people using it, and I decided, okay, you know what, let me use it for my hair because my hair has undergone so much product buildup in the couple of past weeks. I've been using a lot of gels and all that, so my hair is really dirty and it needs clarifying. Basically, a Bentonite clay mask or a Bentonite clay itself is like powder, is a clay. Okay, so let me show you guys. This is Bentonite Clay Mask I got from Bell's Natural Hair Care Center in Lagos, Nigeria here. So basically I am using this. This is what it looks like. So it's like powder. Yeah, this is what the Bentonite clay looks like. So it's a clay that contains a lot of natural minerals that are very good for hair growth. So basically how it works is it extracts or the impurities in your hair binds to the clay, so it makes your hair squeaky clean. Like by the time you finish it, your hair becomes squeaky clean. It conditions your hair, it reduces frizz, it like makes your coils pop, natural fuzzy hair coils pop. It also conditions the hair. Like, I've just read so much about it and I was like, okay, you know what, let me try it myself, let me see how it works. So yeah, I'll be showing you guys how I'm using it, and I just hope you guys will try it too. So try it and let me know in the comment section. Okay, let's get right into the video. Okay, thing to do is to get our paste ready. So you want to make sure that you're using a plastic plate and spoon. You don't want to use metal because metal tends to react with the clay and you really don't want that. So make sure to use plastic or ceramic stuff when making your clay. So I'm going to use apple cider vinegar for this. Is just basically to balance the clay, the pH and all that. Okay, so you can also use water if you don't have the apple cider vinegar. Basically you can use water to also get your clay. Okay, so I went ahead to add some more because I was not understanding what my clay was forming. Like, it was not looking like the ones I saw on people's videos, but nevertheless we move. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, basically this is what it should look like. So I went ahead to wet my hair in the shower, and yeah, I just start applying the clay in sections basically. So I make sure like I apply on my hair, my scalp, my ends. Like, I make sure that the clay goes everywhere. Okay, yeah. Yo, can we just take a second to appreciate these curls, you guys? This clay actually made my
curls to pop. I was so happy, I was so excited. Even though initially as I was putting it, like it was like drying up my hair, I was wondering, I was like, hey, is this how this thing works? So you better detangle before or after, but don't dare detangle while putting this clay. Okay, just put it and let it be. So I basically just left it in for like 5 to 10 minutes thereabouts. I didn't leave it in for long.
Okay guys, you guys, this is like the after result, and my hair really feels soft. My scalp is clean, like as you can see, my scalp is really clean, and like you guys, washing out the bentonite clay was really easy. I didn't even have to like use so much water to wash it off. It was quite easy to wash off. At the beginning, when I put my apple cider vinegar, and then it was not looking like the ones I used to see in other videos, I'm like, Jesus, are you sure? Because I didn't see bubbles in other people's, and I was like, oh my god, is this bentonite clay on point? Is it worth it? Like, is the apple cider vinegar spoiled? Like, I was really concerned. But after I used it and I saw that my curls popped and my hair right now feels conditioned and really nice, like you guys, this is awesome. Like some of my curls are still popping, even though I know my hair really do need a trim, but my curls are popping. And like, will I try this again? Yes, I will definitely try it again, and I think you guys should try it and let me know how it goes for you guys. Do you like it? So for some people, you can follow up with a deep conditioner, but for me, I'll just like use my leave-in conditioner and just seal with an oil, because my hair is already really soft. Because I really don't know how this clay works, that it clarifies the hair and the scalp and still makes it soft and conditioned. Like, is a miracle clay. All right guys, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, please don't forget to subscribe, share this with someone to try it. Like, if you know you've been having issues with your hair, I think this is like the best way to cleanse your hair. I didn't even use any shampoo before the process, and my hair really feels clean. And once you do this method, you really don't even need a shampoo. Okay, so yeah, and I don't think it's something you should be doing all the time per se, sure, but you guys should just try it and let me know. Don't forget to share this video, don't forget to like it. Okay, please like it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.